These zucchini rolls are just perfect for a light, healthy dinner delight. Slice the zucchini longwise with a mandolin or very sharp knife. Heat a large skillet or grill to medium-high and add half of the olive oil. Grill the zucchini until they just start to brown. Heat a non-stick skillet to medium and add the rest of the olive oil. Once it's hot, add the garlic and sauté for 1 or 2 minutes. Add the spinach and cook for a couple of minutes, just until wilted. Cut the fresh mozzarella in 1.5 inches cubes. Spread add 1 tablespoon of spinach and 1 mozzarella piece to a slice of zucchini and roll it up. Preheat the oven to 350° F, spread the marinara sauce in a baking tray, and arrange the zucchini rolls with the seam side down. Top with the shredded mozzarella cheese and bake for 10-12 minutes, or until golden brown. Serve with fresh basil leaves,